Hi, it's Nicole. I'm going to stitch for you a basic curling feather, and we're going to do one. This is about a 5.5 inch block here. We're going to do one that does not fill the block first, and I just wanted to let you know that one of the features that I like on a sewing machine is the ability to stop with your needle in the down position. That really helps you stay on point when you have to stop and take a break, because this is no doubt a lot of work. So I've got myself tied off and ready to go. I'm going to just make my stem first, and I'm going to make it kind of curly. Get myself up to speed here. Give a little. Alright, curl in, and here's my first feather. Now my second feather kind of tucks underneath. I think the tendency of beginners is to want to make all these feathers stretch out to the same point, and they don't. They actually stair-step under each other, nestle under each other. One of the best books on feathers that I really highly recommend is Anita Shackelford's Infinite Feathers. If you take a transparency and a wet erase marker and free motion over her feathers, that will help train your brain to make really gorgeous feathers. I love hers. Now we're going to come up the back side. We're going to just swing out and in. And this is an entirely different movement than the way we just came down the feather. So it's normal for your feathers to look a little wonky one side or the other. It's normal to be better at one side than the other when you're just starting. And even, you'll notice, mine look different because it's a different movement. But different is not bad. Different is unique and wonderful, I think. As long as you master whatever the movement is, it'll look good on both sides. I find that going up the back side here is the easiest. And I do trace my feathers back on the shared line for a couple of reasons. One, the rhythm is just a little bit more natural to me. And the other is, if I am backtracking in here and I miss, it makes sense because there's two feathers here. If I'm backtracking out here and I miss, it makes no sense. And then what if I'm doing a feather and I'm not going to stitch the heck out of the background to cover up those misses on the outside of the feather? So to me, I just prefer to backtrack on the shared line. I think it looks nice, and there you go. And I can do feathers up one side and down the next. Find it faster. Of course, whatever you practice is what you're going to love and want to do more of, because it's easier. You've practiced it. Oops, I always forget to pull my my foot up before I do that, so I have to rethread my machine every time. Look at that. That looks great. Now you try one.